Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, has appointed Dr. David Lowe as its new managing director effective March 3. Dr. Lowe also has international experience working in Australia and Singapore with Fortune 500 management consulting firm Accenture. Prior to joining DBJ, Lowe served as the CEO and founder of Catalyst Holdings Limited for 5 years and as the Caribbean Producers Jamaica Chief Executive for 8 years immediately before. In welcoming the appointment, DBJ Chairman PB Scott stated, "We are pleased to welcome Dr. Lowe to the DBJ family." Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have announced shifts in corporate leadership structure. Chief Operating Officer of Grace Kennedy Money Services, Margaret Campbell, will, on April 1, assume the role of Chief Executive Officer of the Grace Kennedy Money Services Group. Stanley Motor Limited has advised that effective February 13, 2025, Mrs. Andrea Kinash has resigned as Director of the Board and member of the Audit Committee, and that Ms. Jacqueline Watson has been appointed as a Director of the Board and member of the Audit Committee. Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited has advised of the following changes to the Board of Directors. Ronald Shagar has resigned from the Board of Directors effective January 24, 2025. Following his resignation, Mr. Shagar has also relinquished his positions as a member of the Audit and Compensation Committees effective January 24, 2025. The Board of Directors has approved the appointment of Mr. Rob Van Den Blink and Mr. Carlos Molion as independent directors of the company effective February 10, 2025. Kingston Wharves Limited on Sunday, February 27, welcomed the inaugural docking of Hio Aurora, a state-of-the-art roll-on, roll-off cargo vessel at the recently constructed Berth 7, completed in late 2023 with a price tag of US $30 million. Kingston Wharves Chairman Jeffrey Hall said the event underscored the big bets that the company has taken on the growth of the global logistics industry and the spirit of partnership in which those decisions were made and implemented. The call of the ship comes ahead of the construction of a multi-level car park set to get underway shortly. We are pleased to announce again today that we will be spending another US $15 million to construct a car park that will be the best in class and will allow us to expand the capacity of the cars we can accommodate here, Kingston Wharves CEO Mark Williams stated during a press briefing ahead of the tour of the vessel. He continued, "We want to ensure that we can accommodate within the next 5 to 10 years 500,000 cars moving through the Port of Kingston." For the trading period ending February 27, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 5,040,706 units traded, represented 17.67% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 4,481,115 units traded, representing 15.71% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,070,739 units traded, representing 7.26% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 26, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $40.73 million purchased and US $63.44 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.65 per dollar, selling the US at $157.85 and buying the US at $156.20. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.99 per transaction, with selling at $111.70 and buying at $108.71. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.16 in profit, with selling at $199.07 and buying at $197.91. For our credit report tip of the day, as a freelancer or gig worker, you don't have the luxury of an employer-sponsored tuition assistance or steady paychecks to rely on. But that doesn't mean funding your child's education is out of reach. If your challenge is that you have limited access to financial aid as a freelancer, then the solution is to strengthen your credit to qualify for business credit lines, which can cover education-related expenses while keeping cash flow intact. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.